Dr. Ashok, intervention cardiologist. At present working at Government Hospital, and I am also practicing in Velan Hospital and also in ABC Hospital. I finished my DM Cardiology at Institute of Cardiology, MNC, Chennai. Heart failure is inability of the heart to pump effectively to maintain enough blood flow to meet the body needs. In other words, you can say it is a weakness in the pumping of the heart. And then heart failure also occurs due to any intrinsic, that means any defect in the heart muscles also. And also it occurs in any congenital heart disease, and also sometimes in pregnancy. This is a peripartum cardiomyopathy. These patients will have heart failure. Regarding symptoms, the patient presents with breathing difficulty, that means shortness of breath, and fatigue, extreme tiredness, and sometimes chest pain and pedal edema. These are the symptoms of heart failure. In India, 1 to 2% of the general population are suffering from heart failure. Heart failure occurs in a patient with uncontrolled hypertension and some patient with long-standing uncontrolled diabetes mellitus and a patient with the heart attack, that means acute coronary symptoms. These patients will have heart attack. The symptoms, they present with breathing difficulty, pedal edema, that is swelling of legs, chest pain, and extreme fatigue for minimal activities. These are the things the patient will present. And what the patient has to do means, they have to consult a good physician or a cardiologist, a family doctor regarding these symptoms, and they can easily identify this heart failure by doing a test known as NT-proBNP. This test identified whether the patient have heart failure. The value is more than 200, the patient has suffering from heart failure. And identifying this heart failure, and this test can able to assess the prognosis of heart failure also. And another test, ultrasound of the heart, otherwise known as echocardiography. Using echocardiography, we can assess the pumping capacity of the heart, that is known as the ejection fraction. And with this, we can identify heart failure. Heart failure is a serious condition, but it can be managed by lifestyle changes and optimal medical managements and advanced therapy for heart failure. Lifestyle changes. What the lifestyle changes we have to do? Decrease the salt intake. That means stop smoking and avoid alcohol intake. By this, we can prevent the heart failure. These are things you have to avoid. And then patient will present with pedal edema, swelling of legs, chest pain, and breathing difficulty. With this, we can able to identify the symptoms, and we have to refer to a doctor, and we can have to take treatment for them. Now there are newer drugs for heart failure is available. With the drugs, we can prevent the morbidity. That means prevent the death or anything like that by using recent medicines also. And after that, regarding there is also surgical treatment and intervention treatment for heart failure, ICD. These are advanced treatment. But basically, lifestyle modification, avoiding of alcohol, avoiding of smoking, and avoiding of decreased salt intake, this can prevent the heart failure. Here, heart failure is easily manageable with optimal medical treatment and lifestyle modification. By limiting the salt intake, avoid alcohol, smoking with the tobacco. by avoiding this, we can prevent heart failure. Then we have to monitor, routine monitoring of heart failure. You have to go to the nearby doctor or a cardiologist, and we have to have regular follow-up by doing some tests like internal pro-BNP and taking medicines regularly and avoid salt intake. And this can be done to prevent deterioration of heart failure. By following this advice, one can be effectively manage the heart failure and should not worry about it. By avoiding this advice, it is very difficult for the better control. So main thing, we have to have primary prevention. That means after once we have to stop smoking, avoid alcohol, and avoid excess salt intake. By following this, then we can effectively overcome heart failure, and also following regular medications, we can overcome this heart failure. We can make our heart stronger base by following this advice. That means regular medications we have to take, and then avoiding of alcohol intake and avoiding of smoking. Everything will prevent and will make your heart good and effectively. Another thing, we have to take the medicine. Many method, low blood, that means blood thinning agents, and also heart pumping to increase the heart pump, and then drugs which exceed excess fluid from our body. These drugs should be maintained regularly, and we have lifestyle modifications also should be done. By following this, we can advise my patient to take all the drugs regularly, avoid smoking, alcohol, and decrease salt intake. By following this thing, and early identification of heart failure, such as severe breathing difficulty, leg edema, that is known as pedal edema, and then chest pain, and then fatigue, easy fatigability. By identifying these symptoms, you can easily identify the heart failure symptoms, and you have to go to the doctor and get treated to prevent the complications. This is the